Hello, good morning everyone. I'm Sudhit Anandabhushan. Today I talk about a very interesting topic, biological classification. Do you know or not all living things are the same? That's where the biological classification comes in. Biological classification means grouping living organisms based on the similarities and differentiation. Earliest classification by the early men based on the food, shelter, clothing, security, transport, and other. But this is not scientific. The first scientific classification gives us Aristotle said, who divide the plant and animals. Then the two kingdom classification gives by Carolus Linnaeus, who divide the two kingdom Plantae and Animalia. Then the Ernest Haeckel introduced here the Protista and gives us three kingdom classification. Then the Copeland sir who introduced here the Monera and gives us the four kingdom classification. At last the R.H. Whitaker sir who introduced here the fungi and gives us the five kingdom classification. So the five kingdom classification, the classes are Monera, Protista, Fungi, Plantae and Animalia. But here the many drawbacks come out of this five kingdom classification. So the card which gives the six kingdom classification or the three domain classification. The classes are Monera, Protista, Fungi, Plantae and Animalia. Monera subdivided by Eubacteria and Archaebacteria and all other Protista, Fungi, Plantae and Animalia introduce a new domain called the Eukarya. So the classification helps us understand the evolution, relationships and diversity of the lives. Thank you everyone for this watching this informative video. Good night.